Good morning, dear children. Hope you all are fine and good and also enjoying your online classes. So, dear student, as per the schedule, today is our more value class and we are on chapter number 4. The name of the chapter is drug addiction. So, do you know what is this? I just every form of addiction is bad, no matter whether the narcotic be alcohol or morphine or idealism. So, dear student, as we all know that excess of any can be very dangerous. The same way addiction of any kind can hamper the life quality of any individual. The phase started the addiction is a family disease as one person use and the whole family suffers. So dear student, you know, if any one person in our family is that drug addicted, the whole family suffers for that. The above statement stands true in all its essence, as the addict does not merely suffer but the people around him suffers greatly too. However, that does not mean they cannot be helped. Addiction is curable and we must not give up on the person who is addicted. Rather, help them out for a better life. So, here we start our lesson. Read and learn. Modernizations has led the people to think broadly and to open a new vistas, but at the same time it has led the youth to accept wrong habits as right, be it peer pressure, society pressure, environment, family setup, and some kind of setup in life. Some people will weak character find many excuses to take to intoxicants which act as their Waterloo and thereby led to their ultimate ruin. Quite a number of people get into many harmful habits such as use of alcohol, use of cigarette, pan masala, opium, cocaine, and the list goes on. Sometime, dear student, lot of people are making the fun to use these things. It all started as an experiment or a challenge and then ends up in an addictions. What people fail to realize it the harm it does to their body and mind. Those who thus become addiction become a burden on the society as they are unable to contribute in any way to the good of their family, friends, and society. Thus, these substances are considered as social evils. People generally consume tobacco in the form of bidi, cigarette, and smoke pipes like hookahs. Some people chew it raw. Tobacco contains a powerful poison called nicotines. Even though it is contained in extremely minute quantities, yet it is very harmful to our health. When we smoke, some amount of nicotines carried along with the smoke, it absorbed by our blood. This nicotine excites our nose and throat. This causes coughing also. Smoking increases blood pressure. It increases heartbeat, causes heart ailments. It also affects the body temperature and blood circulation. Scientific research has shown that smoking causes lung cancer and shorten out life too. Moreover, indigestions, peptics, ulcer, and cancer of the mouth are also among its other effects. You have seen one ad on TV. This is also related with that. So, this kind of, if you are taking this by experiment or accept any challenge, so don't will not do at not at any cost. So see, this kind of disease, this is you will buy by your own. not by another's give to you. So, beside causing these diseases, it involves wastage of money. Nicotine is habit forming material. Use of alcohol is very harmful to our health. With the its consumption, all the physical process gets slowed down. A high degree of alcohol contents affect our body as soon as it enters our body and mixes with the blood. It immediately started affecting some areas of the brain, movement, feeling, speech, vision, and hearing. As a result, the individual starts getting intoxicated and finally becomes senseless. Driving in drunkard state is not only dangerous for the driver himself but for others too. Prolonged drinking causes disease of the liver.